Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're doing a curbside pickup video for the week of February the 19th over at Walgreens. Curbside pickup is you hit that left-hand box, order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, and $10 or more, and then you drive to the store and go and get it. That easy. So we're going to look at some good deals with that. If shopping in store is more of your speed, definitely watch this video that I made yesterday. Lots of great deals, including like free vitamins and supplements. We're going to look at that again as a curbside pickup, but lots of steals and deals this week over at Walgreens. It's a very good week there. And before we dive into the deals, if I can have one little favor that I'm asking, could you please like this video? It would mean the world to me, really helps out the video and the channel if you could just give it a quick thumbs up. Okay, so the first dealio that we're going to look at, this is for all the makeup fans out there. We have a 7 off 3 Maybelline Cosmetics. Hopefully you guys have this. I'm not sure if it's an only for you. I didn't see it in the corner. So load this coupon. We're going to grab one concealer for $7.49 and then one eyeshadow for $3.49. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off some promotion, so a little something for you. And then we're going to grab these brow eye pencils for $4.49. Unfortunately, it's just cheap. There is no more BOGO free as it's a single item on its own. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's $2 back on each of these products. Even though it says Walmart, see how there's a whole bunch of stores stacked behind it? Walgreens is in fact included. Double, triple check your IBOTTA account that this is at your Walgreens. So these three items, it's $15.47. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. Our 7 off 3 is coming off for a total of $9.40. I would use some Walgreens cash or throw in a little bit extra something and use $10 in Walgreens cash. Make that application for $6 back from IBOTTA. So you're definitely going to need a receipt. So if your store doesn't offer up receipts, this might not be a deal for you, maybe one to do in store. But usually if you go to the photo counter and they'll say, would you like a receipt? They provide you one. It shakes it out to $1.13 per cosmetic, not a bad price point. Okay, so deal number 2, we're diving back into Vitamin City. So we're going to need these 2 boosters loaded, a 10 back when you spend 30 as we're going to hit that $30 mark. And then the weekly booster, and mine is a 7 back when you spend 25. My other card had a 6 back when you spend 25. So specifically, we're looking for vitamins and supplements that have the spend 20, earn 5, or spend 30, earn back 10. And there's also ones with this coding of 20% off when you spend 40 and then BOGO free. But this one, because there's such a high value IBOTTA rebate and a high digital coupon, we're going to throw 2 of the Cranberry Vitafusions in, and they're on a buy one, get one 50% off. And then we have this digital coupon. A lot of people are saying 2 Fetch Rewards has a rebate for this. I unfortunately didn't have it, but maybe you might get a couple extra dollars back. We're going to throw in this IVC coupon, which is a 3 off a 2 for the vitamin supplements by Walgreens. And we're going to have our 2 Vitafusions and then 4 of the Walgreens Vitamin C gummies at $10.99 a pop. 2 of them are going to be for free, so the total is $21.98. We're also going to throw in the code Health20 as we're going to get an extra $6 back for our basket of all these vitamins and supplements, and that's a little bit of money off. So looking at our overall basket, it was $42.96, subtracting the promotions, free curbside pickup. Oh, no tax on vitamins. Kind of interesting. $10 off for the Vitafusion. So you're going to pay $23.97 with your debit card or credit card. You pick. And then with my 2 boosters, I'm getting $18 back. There's an extra $1 back for that weird 5% or whatever it is. So a little bit something there. Don't use any Walgreens cash as you're using boosters with this deal. And then over on IBOTTA, you're getting $7 back for buying 2 of those Vitafusions. So definitely, yeah, what a great deal. It makes it completely free for all of those supplements. Definite stock up time. The next deal that we're going to look at, it's a hodgepodge of items. We're going to grab 2 of the Vaselines on a buy one, get one 50% off for $6.73. And then 1 Wet n Wild protein mascara for $2.19. These are the digitals that we're going to load, a 3 off a 2. At the very least, even if you don't care to do this deal, load that Vaseline coupon. It's a high value one. and then the $1.50 for the Wet and Wild, and it's $2.19. So yes, that $1.50 coupon is attaching. We're also going to grab one of these Kit Kats for $1.79. If you haven't used this other coupon, it's been floating around our accounts for a little bit. It is a $1.25 off, so it makes that candy really, really cheap if you love all Kit Kats. Looking at your overall basket, guys, all of the digital coupons are coming off: Vaseline, Kit Kat, and Wet n Wild. The overall basket is $10.71, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, $5.75 melting off there. For a new total of $5.50, I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 50 cents. When you get your receipt from the store, I believe Vaseline is part of the Fetch Rewards gallery, so photograph your receipt to that app. You might get back a couple extra points or a little bit more. You never really know. Okay, the next deal that we have, deal number 4. Very good deal too. We're going to grab 2 of these Dove body washes. So it is the liquid. Bar soap is like $9. So we're going with the liquid body wash. Hopefully your store still has them in stock. I know people go really hard for this deal whenever it pops up. So 2 of them is $14 on the nose. We got this, which is a 7 off 2. Valid till the 11th of March, so look at that date. One thing I do want to point out to you, there are 3 different digital coupons for this Dove body wash. So the one that you want loaded is the 7 off 2. So definitely unload the other 2 if you load absolutely every coupon, because the smallest one will always come off first. So you want the 7 off 2. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, $14, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $7 melting off, for a new total of $7.84. And your $4 of Walgreens cash, there it is. Because this is a buy scenario, yes, you can roll Walgreens cash and you're not using a booster in concert with. It's just an opportunity to get some very cheap Dove body wash for $1.50. They're giving it away. Another super duper deal that we have, number 5. We're going to put 4 of these Palmolive 20 ounces into a basket. You might have to mix and match because there wasn't like 4 of one at my store, which was really bizarre, but I think people go really hard on this deal. And there's no digital coupon for them either, but 4 of them in a basket is $11.16. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.83 and call it a day, and you're getting back $6. It's 3 for every 2, so not the worst deal for some cheap dish soap. I think it shakes it out to like $1.49, but these are 20-ounce Palmolive, so that is a lot of dish soap. You can do dishes for a long time. And the final deal that we have, deal number 6. It is for some home fragrance oils. So the Airwick Essential Mist for $7.49. Wow, that is so expensive. You're going to put 2 of them into a basket. I think at most stores too, this one item, very expensive. But we have a buy one, get one free digital coupon. So please make sure you have that one loaded. And so throwing 2 of those into a basket, it's $14.98. Curbside pickup is free. That 7 off is melting off for a new total of $8.88. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.88 and call it a really good deal for 2 of those oils, especially if you like it, to make your home smell amazing. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.